break. Got us a grinner today. Believe it or not, we got this grinner in a scent post. You can see the possums playing possum. We're just gonna let them go. They don't do anything bad to us. There he goes. That's actually a big old possum. Well, we'll let him run away and go enjoy his life eating some ticks. Hey guys, how we doing? This is that blind set we had set. The deer set it off. I'm just gonna reset it. We supposedly have some weather moving in. So I want to get everything out. Supposedly the rain's gonna start today, then we're gonna have some snow. So, but I just wanna, that first video I made of a blind set wasn't real good. I didn't have my tripod yet, and you couldn't see a darn thing. So, right here, the reason I set right here, you can see our pinch point. I already have the loose dirt down in the trap bed. I already have salt down in there to antifreeze it. See, take my chain, get my trap in there solid. There we go. Just push that extra chain right down in there. Take our toilet paper. Good thing about toilet paper, it breaks down so easy. You're not really littering. You know, if something digs it up. So, but you can see, yeah, we got a little wiggle. So I'm gonna pack that in there, get that wiggle out of that trap. Now you can see that sucker's tight. Since I packed that in around that loose jaw, I'll take a little more salt. And start sifting it. I'm gonna have to go get a little bit of dirt. We'll just get it right here. Sift our dirt, take our brush. Now this trap here, we want it level. As level as you can get it. Obviously terrain isn't 100%. Falling over. Take that salt, put that salt down. Sift a little bit more. Brush it out. And you can see how this trail really necks down, man. I mean, this is a really good pinch point. No lures, no smells. We need nothing. So now what I'm gonna do is take some of this grass. We're gonna throw that grass down. Now we know our trap pan is right here. We're gonna throw 1 stick, 2 sticks. Those are gonna be just little jump sticks. That way when the animal's walking, don't want to step on the stick, step over. And that's a trail set. I mean, that's as simple as they are. I know I have deer running this trail. I actually have a trail camera set up behind us. I wanted to see what was taking it. And I know there's deer for sure, you know, taking it. Take that reed. Just gotta do that. Throw some stuff in there. All right, guys. This is that point where we caught that fox the other day. We haven't caught anything here the past couple nights. But like I said, with that weather moving in, I think we should connect here in the next couple days. We're not really having a good morning today. I'm not sure what it was. Either something dug it up or a deer set it off, but I'm thinking something dug it up because if a deer would have set it off, that trap would have at least been out of the bed. All right, guys. Here we are at this set. This trap was dug up. So, I have a general rule when I get a trap dug up. I know we didn't make a catch here because the trap was still sitting in the bed like so. I dug it out already. My general rule of thumb on this is 3 strikes and you're out. So, if I get 3 strikes on this animal coming back digging this up, I'm putting another trap back here. And the only reason I wait 3 strikes and you're out is I don't want to put another trap here. If this was an individual that stepped on it, he could potentially come back and steal my trap. So I don't want to just hurry up and put a trap here because now I'm going to lose 2 instead of 1. This could have been a deer, or it could have been someone. We have quad trails here. This could have been someone just riding a quad and he happened to run over it. I don't think that was the case. I don't see any tracks coming over my backing, nothing like that. And he would have had to just skim that backing with his tire. But regardless, that's how I take care of these sets. As that animal's up here coming to dig this trap out, he's not paying attention to his back feet moving. And his back feet are going left and right. He's up here doing his thing. You're gonna get him in the hind foot. And I've actually caught foxes coming into this where I've had them in the hind foot here, they got caught, then they forgot this trap was here, and I got them in their front foot. So I've had foxes sitting there like this, waiting for me the next morning. So that's just my little tip of the day. That is why I wait. I don't want a trap to get stolen.